Manchester United signed Manuel Ugarte, made him a reserve, and now they're ready to sell him. After one season, 3 clubs are already in the queue.
Clutch the moment. Clutch brief.
24 years old, arrived with so much hype, but this season he's been glued to the bench, barely featuring, and the club have seen enough, they want out. United are looking for around £35 million, and they're not messing around. Talks with interested clubs could kick off as early as May. And here's where it gets interesting. Aston Villa want him, Newcastle want him, and over in Italy, Juventus are keeping a very close eye on the situation. 3 serious clubs, that price could climb. But Ugarte isn't the only one heading for the exit. Casemiro is done too. That means United need to bring in at least 2 central midfielders this summer. This isn't a tweak, it's a full reset. So who's coming in? The shortlist is stacked. Tonali from Newcastle, Anderson from Forest, Wharton from Palace, and Baleba from Brighton. 4 names, 2 spots. United are going big this summer.
Clutch the moment. Clutch brief.
1 season and they're done with him. Is that the right call, or are United giving up too soon? Pick your side.
Man United news. Every day. Follow Clutch Brief.